What's up, guys? So on this video today we got running some service calls. We're actually moving. First we're moving a condenser, relocating a condenser, and then we got 2 service calls. I'm with my brother here and also with Amir from Xavier HVAC. So let's get to it. Let's go.
Okay, cut what's there,
Yeah.
what's on lithium, and just reuse that up there.
We got Amir with Xavier HVAC. Talk to them, man.
What's up, guys? Vegas, we on the way. Me and Johnny, JX.
Vegas.
We got that trip coming up. Catch us there, you know. Don't be shy to talk to me or Johnny.
Absolutely, man. Amir is a little bit.
Nah.
So yeah, I'm not.
To go there, right?
Yeah, for the PVC probably.
I just hit there now. What you think?
Yeah, I mean,
It's like
We
10
shouldn't
minutes
need
away.
much.
yeah, we shouldn't.
You think we need 1 or 2? Because my dad had 2. He texted me 2 foot of 10 feet each.
Ooh. Nice thing about this, it's cool.
Oh yeah.
My impact is right behind you, and Amir's is too.
That should do, son. Time just to hold it.
We don't have a claim, do we?
Just to hold it so it's not maneuvering on you trying to get out. Send it to Angel. Yeah. Well, I was gonna say, Sabi.
That's too big.
That's all right, bro. Quarter.
So what? 3/4 again. Man, when is Amir gonna get here, bro? He taking his time. Oh man!
I'm part-time.
It's part-time, Amir.
Part-time. You call me part-time, man. I can do that. Or you want me to down here?
That's what I got.
I think so. I got extra room. Pockets are big.
Yeah,
and you got
those are
zip-ups
nice.
right
That's
here.
kind of like
The King, I see the King. King has been,
There it is.
King's been all right. King, man, King.
So you see King mess with me, John.
King mess with Amir. King. I'm JX, man. We do this too.
We do this too every day. Yeah, to the cube.
Yes. I got it, Sabi. Yeah, I can hear you. All good? Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. I'm growing on YouTube little by little, man. Trying to. Not at your level, Amir, but
You're that guy. I'm trying to tell you.
I might take over the YouTube stuff. These guys are dominant Instagram and everything. I might take over the YouTube stuff. Just leaving like that. It's leaking pretty good. You need something though. So there's no valve. Wait, no, there's some shut off. That shut off. That shut off. That shut off. Is there a shut off on the main supply? It don't matter. Do we have something to drain this?
Like something like a water hose, right?
Is there something else? There's no other somewhere to drain this at?
Over to there.
I guess so, yeah. And you went up there already, Amir?
Yep.
Okay.
So it's 4 on 4, so it's 8 total.